Hey, Jalen, my daddy there?
Yeah.
Let me tell him something just real quick.
Alright. What's up, Jack?
What's up, Dad? Hey, Dad.
What's up, man?
What's good? Oh. Hey, did something come in the mail today?
What?
Did something come in the mail today? Oh. Cause something came in the mail today.
Yeah, I did.
These nuts. Got him! Got him!